Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for watching here today. My name is Lina Herlina, the teacher from SMPN 3 Cilenyi, Kabupaten Bandung. Wonderful audience, it's a pleasure to be with you today. I will be presentation my review book, and in the next few minutes I will be exploring the storytelling about Princess Wadida dan Paus Biru. The silver light of the full moon shone above Lankadipa Palace when a beautiful baby was born there. King Mahinda gave her name Princess Wadida. The name of Wadida was taken from a word Wadud, which means to love. Princess Wadida became a gentle princess. People admire her good character to every single creature, not even to human. She loved plants and animals. Then they become her best friends. In a bright afternoon, Princess Wadida took a walk along the beach, not far from the palace. She saw many people crowded on the slightly sloping beach. She was curious and approached. "Excuse me, what's going on? What are you watching at?" asked Princess Wadida to someone. "Princess, there was a little stranded blue whale," answered a fisherman. "Oh, what a pity," said Princess Wadida, approaching the wall. "The wall looks so weak. Its eye closed, then open, then closed again. What did you to this wall?" asked Princess Wadida, worried. "Of course, we will kill this wall and we will share the meat," said a young fisherman. "Don't look at it. It's so weak. It must have separated from its mother. Don't hurt this whale," exclaimed Princess Wadida. The fisherman left the princess. "Just take it easy. I will protect you. No one will hurt you," said Princess Wadida, touching the head of the whale. The little blue whale answered with weak voice. Princess Wadida took care of it night and day. She even slept at the shore with the blue whale. She gave it food and drink. She also washed the body of the whale using water taken from sea in order to prevent the dryness. "Hey, last night I dreamed about you. I met your mother," said Princess Wadida. "She missed you so much. She said, I had to protect you for a while," continued Princess Wadida. The little blue whale answered, using its long eyes. Its tears come from its eyes. "Yes, I'm sure you miss your mother. Be patient. I will accompany you," said Princess Wadida. A few days later, there was something amazing around the sea. A giant creature came up and made voice. "Hey, look there! Your mother is coming. Yes, she is here," exclaimed Princess Wadida. The little blue whale looked happy. Its tail moved on the water. "Let me help you back to the sea," said Princess Wadida. Princess Wadida dig the sand around the body of the whale. "Princess, let me help you," greeted the fisherman. "Yes, we will help you, Princess," said another fisherman. Well, their hearts touched by kindness of Princess Wadida. Finally, the little blue whale got back to the sea. It swam close to mother. The two whales gave a loud voice as if they wanted to say goodbye to Princess Wadida. I will wish you to, yes, Princess Wadida. Okay, that's all the story of the Princess Wadida dan Paus Biru. Thank you. Thanks for your nice attention. And finally, I'd like to say goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.